my own salad dressing, and we need parsley, garlic, lemon, olive oil, the best olive oil you can get, and vinegar is balsamic, and a tablespoon or a little less, a tablespoon of mustard, and 1 tablespoon of capers, if you do have capers. The Italian parsley, but also the American parsley. Any kind of parsley, don't do cilantro, but do Italian parsley or regular parsley. Now you rinse it. I rinse it under the thing. I wash it and rinse it good. Okay. I really dry them out on the paper a little bit. That's okay. You start with 3 heads of garlic. You peel them off, and the way to do it, you just go with a knife and you squish them down, and then they come out like that. You cut the little head because you don't want, and then you just put them in there. The little thing off. Okay, now you got those. Now this one. And now the parsley. You start with that and the parsley, okay? So the parsley, be sure you do only the leaves. But if a little piece go in, that's okay. But this one I do not want. And, okay, this is it. I think it's enough. This one I keep it for another time. Okay, it's probably, look, you have a nice bunch. Because I washed it, I want to dry them out a little bit. You don't have to be over. But a little bit you have to dry them out because it's got to go with the oil. So put them in there with the garlic. Now you close and you do this one first. Okay, got it. Okay, good. Let's chop first. Okay, now it's chopped. Okay, look how it looks. Now you add olive oil. Oh, probably I have to measure it for you, but I can't measure it. I just gonna go until kind of, probably half a cup. Do half a cup, and maybe I'll do like that. Just go. Put it, don't put too much. You can always get 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons. Okay? Now the lemon. I should do it here. Let's do it here. Do it always aside because you want to be sure, see, you don't want those to go in there. The seeds of the lemon, no. They make it sour. Okay? Put them all in, half. And then I had right away, a little bit of, oh my gosh, this is too much.
There's a squeeze.
Not too much, always can add, look, this much. Not too much because it's overpowering. Maybe a little more. Let's say half a teaspoon. Okay, put salt in it, it hasn't got the holes. Put some salt, you always can adjust it, never overdo. You have to do it slowly. I think we got all the ingredients in it. Now, let's go. Now I taste. Okay. What do I need? What I need? More what? More salt, more what? That's how you do it. More lemon, more salt.
More lemon, maybe.
More lemon?
A little bit more salt too, I think.
Yeah, I was easy on salt. But lemon makes this, it's like adding salt. So why don't we try that first? Okay, I don't want to overdo it though. Wait. Well, I put 1 lemon full. Pour more salt. Yeah, now it's gonna be good.
The little tail goes.
Okay. This is the one. I like it. You need this. Okay, this is done. Put it there. Now put them in here. Garlics, maybe it's too much, 3, but you know, you keep practicing and keep doing the way you want to. Keep adding things if you want to. That's the way to get your own. But the flavor of the parsley is the one that makes it, and the garlic. And if you put them in a little jar, it's maybe better to leave it in a little jar and keep it for even a week, because the oil seals it, keeps it fresh. Vinegar and lemon, you guys. Start with the salad, look like that. Start with the salad. Wait, you, sorry. It's heart of palm, and
Anise.
anise. This is anise. And then we got black olives. And then we got cucumbers and tomato and avocado. All right.